Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome dear friends in Home Lab. Mrs. Radwa Khalid with you. Today we are going to make a beautiful experiment which is fill up the balloon. We will know how to fill up the balloon without blowing in it. We will need small water bottle, vinegar, cup, small balloon, funnel or a piece of paper, baking soda, spoon. What to do? At first, carefully pour the vinegar into the cup. We will fill half of it, half of the cup. Now carefully put the vinegar into the bottle. Use the funnel. If you don't have a funnel, you can use a paper and make it as a cone and put it in the balloon like that. Now we will fill the balloon with baking soda. We will fill half of it. Now carefully put the neck of the balloon over the neck of the bottle without letting any baking soda entering the bottle. Ready? Lift the balloon up. Baking soda fills the balloon into the bottle and mixes with vinegar. Let us know how does it work. The baking soda and the vinegar create an acid-base reaction, and the two chemicals work together to create a gas, carbon dioxide gas. Gases need a lot of room to spread out, and the carbon dioxide gas starts to fill the bottle and then moves into the balloon to inflate it. Now, let's turn on a match and take off the balloon and put it near to the neck of the bottle. Watch that? Distinguished. Tell me, why do you think that happened? I just put it near to the neck of the bottle. We all know that carbon dioxide gas doesn't burn and doesn't help in burning, and we use it for what? Tell me in the comments. Now I will ask you some questions to make it a really experiment, and you try to answer these questions. The first question: does the temperature affect how fast the balloon fills up? Yes or no, and why? Can we control the amount of the balloon fills up by changing the amount of vinegar or baking soda? Try to answer these questions and leave your comment, and inshallah I will discuss it with you. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. See you in the next experiment in Home Lab. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.